Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out this vacuum sealer, model E9000M. So let's get started. So it says you can seal up to 100 times in a row. That's pretty awesome, guys. So this is how everything comes packaged. So nice and protected. So guys, they give you a bunch of free bags. So these are sealed at one end and open on the other. And then they also give you a roll, which this roll means it's not sealed at all. So you cut it and you seal it off to whatever length you want. You also get the extension for a jar, or depends on, different vacuum sealing jars you guys can get on Amazon. They give you a manual, but we're going to go over and show you how it works. Okay guys, vacuum sealing is very easy. So basically what you want to do is you want to put on the bag, you kind of feel this little ruffled area, and then on the other side it's more flat and smooth. Well, the ruffled area you want to have facing the heating element. So depending on your vacuum sealer, this vacuum sealer, the heating element is mainly at the top here. So we're gonna have the more rough feeling edge like this. And what you do is you tuck down the front opening inside this little compartment right in here. And then you simply close it once you have your bag filled of stuff. So we have this coffee beans that we get from Amazon, a subscription package, and I vacuum seal them and then put them in the freezer so they last longer, the coffee beans. So once you have it down in the track, and even if it comes up a little bit, as long as you get it lined up, you then apply pressure. And now you have different modes here. You have canister, you have so you can select normal, gentle, you have dry or moist, vacuum seal, seal, stop, on, off. So right now, let's see here. Let's stop. Let's do vac seal. So we're doing vacuum seal. So what you do is you press vac seal, and that vacuum seals it, and then it should seal it automatically then. So now it's sealing. So you would hit vac seal, and just like that. So this one, and now it is vacuum sealed, airtight. So sometimes if it's crinkled like this, I like to give a second seal. And by doing that, you can line it up by this rubber piece right here. So what I like to do is just simply lay it on the rubber piece, and then press seal. What that does is it sucks the air out, it pulls it down, and then it gives a seal line. So normally I like to do this another way, and I'll show you guys here. So this one automatically locks and unlocks, which is pretty cool. So we got a second seal. Now normally what I like to do, if you're doing something, vacuum sealing something like this, I don't actually like to put the bulk end near the opening, so let's actually show you guys how I normally do it. So let's say you have an item that has a big, thicker end, but then a thinner top. What you want to do is you want to line the thinner top to the opening of your bag. So just like this. This is going to make it seal way easier. And if you're just pouring in regular stuff, give yourself some room. So as you guys see, we have all this room. I personally like to have that room. That way, if you reopen your bag, you can reseal it. So now I'll show you guys. It should be a lot more clean looking. So you just let it go. There we go. So guys, this is the difference between the two. So as you can see, this is the top, how nice and clean this is, and this is the top of this one, how messed up that is. That seal, that's, you know, might not last that super long. So that's why anytime you put items in, make sure the thinner part of the item is facing the top. But yeah, guys, this sealer is actually impressive. I can't believe it actually sealed that. That's impressive. It sealed that, and that was so rough. So far, right now, this one is the best one I've ever reviewed. This one automatically locks in place. So once you put your bag there, it automatically pulls it down and locks in place. And then once you hit, you know, that's after you hit vac seal. So overall, guys, this is definitely in the top 5, maybe in the top 3 vacuum sealers that I've ever reviewed. So that's saying something. I actually really like this one. In fact, I'm probably going to replace the other one I've been using for a while now with this one, because I really do like this one. And again, guys, if you have something that is moist, you can select moist. You know, it's very easy how they have this set up. There's nothing hard about it. I mean, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So that's the great thing about this one. Anybody can do it. It's so simple. And it's so far working flawlessly. You know, I got tons of these bags. So as you guys can see, I have tons of the coffee bags that I'm doing. And so far, it's worked flawlessly. There's been no issue whatsoever. So actually, I think this might be the best sealer that I've ever reviewed. And that's my honest personal opinion, because the other sealers that I've used, there's normally 1 or 2 flaws about it. This one, so far, 0 flaws. We'll do an update video. Thanks for watching, guys.